Hello all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be doing another episode on pseudocode. And yesterday we explained the two basic commands that will always be in your pseudocode on any exam, any question, anything that you do. Now we're going over two that will almost guaranteed be there. Input, output, pretty self-explanatory why they'd be there, but there are a few scenarios where you just about might not need them. So, yeah. Hello! First things first, as you can see, I've changed the little software names. I was using Trinket for the pseudocode video, but decided to start using Google Docs because it's just going to be a bit cleaner. Eventually, I will get an even more different software. I think Visual Bright, is it? Something like that. Anyway, back to the education. So, pseudocode has the standard commands of begin, end, right? Your two standards. Then you have two more kind of basic ones. Input, and then output. Now, input is pretty self-explanatory. What it will do is it will receive data. Right, receive data. Output will send data. Right, so we've got these two. And how you do it in exams is just output, and then you'll do blah blah blah. Right, whatever you want to output. Input, obviously, you'll just do the variable name or an appropriate variable name. So if you've got a problem which is have the user input their favorite train, then output that's a good train, but I think this train is better. You will have it say input fave train, variable like that. Or what happens more often is you'll get variable names in the question, such as have them input their favorite train, and it will be like F train. So you'll get use the variables. Input. Python equivalent for input would just be the input command, and the Python equivalent for output would just be print. You know? So yeah, thank you. Thank you all very, very much for watching the video. I do hope you learned just as much about pseudocode, and once again, just like yesterday, I do plan on, during the interim between the next video and this one, I do plan on finding a little bit of better software, but I hope that this little mini-series is going to become a little bit more of a mainstay. So thank you for watching.